Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGGS and this is my kitchen, where I'll be showing you how to make affordable restaurant quality foods or better from my home to your home. Guys, stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys, that's right, the best corned beef Reuben sub sandwich ever. Alright, and here's the ingredients that we got. We have some Swiss cheese right here. Booyah. We got the corned beef, the star of the show. That's right here. This is, let me see how many pounds this is. I can't even see it on now. I really can't see it because I had this in the freezer for a while. But anyway, I'll say about good 4 pounds. We got some sauerkraut right here. We gotta warm that up. We have an onion, medium size, and we have your bread right here. This is like a wheat French bread. Alright? And I do have some yum sauce right there. That's what I'm gonna use today. I got some parsley, and I have some Romano, Parmigiano Romano right here. I have some butter right here. That's what all that's gonna be. And I have 3 cups of water right there. You understand? So I'm gonna pressure cook mine today over here. So let me move this to the side. So I can put this up in here. And yes, put all the sauce and all that stuff in there. All that red stuff you see in there is in there. Alright? Now, you do have a seasoning pack in it. So you want to take that out. Put this over here to the side because it's wet. We're going to put all that stuff in this pot. I'm going to cook my skin size down. So when I burn my meat, put that in garbage. I'm going to take this cup of water, these 3 cups of water, and I'm going to put this in this pressure cooker. Just like so. Because you don't need a lot of water in that pressure cooker. I'm going to take this seasoning pack and just open that up. Put all the seasonings up in there like so. Alright, I'm going to take you guys over there. We're going to cook this bad boy for about a good hour. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. I'm just going to go ahead and push on this button right here. This is meats. Is that fish or vegetables right there? Here's the chicken. That's what we wanted on. And that's an hour. And I'll see you guys when we come back. So make sure you stay tuned in. And please do not miss out on this, guys. Please don't miss out on this. I'm telling you, this corned beef Reuben sub sandwich, the best all day. You're going to love it. I promise you that. So stay tuned in. All right, in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. That's how it looks when it's cooked fully. Okay? Not too tough. Not too done, but if I cut this, it's gonna get stringy, and I want to cut against the grain like this, and I'm gonna use my slicer. So I'm gonna wrap this bad boy up, and I'll see you tomorrow, which is gonna be a few seconds. I won't have this on. See you guys in a minute. Much love. Okay, fam, I'm back. I have my in the refrigerator, and here's that. So I'm just going ahead and slice this up, just this, real quick. Go put it on this one level. Do it just real curved. mine. Alright, you can see that. Alright fam, I'm back. I just wanted to show you the meat that I sliced right here. Okay. So that's how that's looking. I don't want it too super thin. So that's decent like that. To make that sub. Alright. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice up my onions. And word to the wise, always cut up your vegetables first. Don't do like I just did. Because when you do that, you're just gonna have a problem because you gotta clean it. You gotta clean it anyway, right? So the vegetables is not the issue, it's the meat. So let me adjust this. Probably back to 3 on here. See if that's good enough. Yeah, that's perfect. This is probably enough onions right there. So yep. How the onions look. You can see that up close. See if I can do one of these numbers. That's how thin that is. Okay. Make everything taste a little bit better, that's all. Alright, so when I get done with all this stuff, I'm gonna take you guys over there and we're gonna start putting these sandwiches together. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. As you can see, it's the next day. Well, you already know that because you already watched me slice up this meat. And there's the meat right there. You guys can see that up close. Here's my bread. All I did with this bread, here's the bread right here, but you're only gonna see this one. All I did is took my knife, my electric knife, and I went down and cut it in half, and I dug all the extra bread out. Okay, so we're gonna come in here with our butter, but we're gonna toast this a little bit. You gotta put a lot on here, just a little bit. All right, I'm gonna move this over here, move my knife down there, put this on this thing over here, this pan, and I'm gonna put this guys in the oven on broil on low setting, just to brown it up, and then we'll go ahead and start working on our sandwich. See you guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Let's go ahead and start working on building this corned beef Reuben sub sandwich. All right, first of all, I'm gonna take my yum yum sauce. That's what this is. Put some on both sides. Much as you want. I want a soggy bread, so I'll put a whole lot. That's it on that. Take my spatula, spread that out a little bit. All right, let's come in with our meat. We're just gonna take our meat, put our meat on there. Don't just throw it on there any type of way, guys. So I just normally fold mine like so. Probably put like 2 or 3 layers on here. I like a lot of meat. I don't know about you guys, but I like a lot of meat on mine. One more over here. All right, so that's how that looks. Let me show you that. It's kind of heavy too. A lot of meat on there, fam. All right. Now here's what we're gonna do. Onion. Onions on this bad boy. Just try to spread them out evenly or whatever. You want to bite into a big chunk. Then I'm going to come in here with my Coming here with my sauerkraut. I did warm mine up, as you can see the smoke coming from it. Put some of that on there, as much as you want. All right. Now we're gonna take our cheese. We're just gonna put our cheese on there, so like so. Now, if you wanted to, you could go ahead and put this back in the oven, but that's why I warm all mine up, so I won't have to. And the cheese will melt. Let me go ahead and put this back on here right. Cheese will melt. Put your lid on there, like so. And there you have it, guys, right there. A corned beef Reuben sub sandwich. And it's off the chain. And get this over here. So, let me see if I can get y'all closer on there. So guys, if you like this video of this bad boy right here, that corned beef Reuben sub sandwich, please hit that bell, just like that. Hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And I'll see you guys next time. And thank you for watching VELDOGGS Kitchen. Much love, and I'm out.